What's up, YouTube? This is God Love Soldiers. Today we're out here in Puerto Rico. This is actually the middle of the jungle. For those of you guys that aren't familiar with the jungle, you got this little nice creek here, and then a little pond right here that goes 5 feet, 6 feet, maybe 7, somewhere around there. Pretty nice though. I mean, I miss it here a lot. Yeah, guys, this is what I lived with for 10 years of my life. Just waking up to this every morning. Man, I miss it. It's just beautiful, just, you know, waking up and being away from everybody. You know, just relax and quiet, meditate and pray, you know. It's lots of fun, but, I mean, it's just so quiet out here. And to show you guys how quiet it is, I'm going to just for the next minute or so just be quiet so you guys can just hear the sound of nature with the coquis and stuff, which is a native frog that lives here. I don't know if you guys can hear him very well through the camera, but I'll stay silent so you guys can hear the surround sounds and such that are out here. Alright guys, here it is. Well guys, once again, this is God Love Soldiers. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll say that again. Yes, don't forget to subscribe and like. It's very important to me. Thank you. God Love Soldiers, out.